Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 433, Bitcoin all-time highs, technical analysis for crypto. Now, if you're catching this stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're wanting what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Yes, so there's a link to our Twitter. Steve, how's it going, bro? Yes, Bitcoin 2,200. 20,000, yeah. 21,966 right now, rejecting a little bit. We're going to discuss that in a second. But isn't it great that we're witnessing history, right? Bitcoin at its all-time highs. If you're watching the markets today, you're seeing something that, it's unfolding in front of our eyes, right? The highest price Bitcoin has ever had so far. And that's really, really cool, man. So let's go and check out what's happening. Remember how I was talking about yesterday, getting out of XRP, which I did. I'm not like I had to get back in at a higher price, but that's fine. I still preserve value. I'm still earning something on my investments still today, so it's good. I just don't have the same XRP position. I don't care. I care about how much money I still have at the end of the day in the bank, not how much XRP I'm hodling. I've changed my mentality on my hodling of XRP. So long as it keeps on going up, I'll still make a profit. I'll sell again before it starts to turn down again. And hopefully just keep that game going enough to where I'm actually earning a lot more by trading it than just by hodling it, which, was a part that, I had a huge hodl bag that I no longer have, which is really good. I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders for real. It's just like not hodling XRP. It's a whole different perspective. So great stuff happening. Let's go check out the markets, man. I was waiting for some more people to jump in. Not a lot of people jumped in yet. So let's get the show rolling, right? For those of you that are here on time. Right on. So what's happening with market cap? Took a nice, huge pump yesterday. 9.30%, approximately $51 billion. Today, still going up, 2.15%, approximately $13.155 billion. So a lot of dough coming into crypto, right? Now I put this on auto, so we'll see it a little bit better. We're above 100%. That's fine. We're on our way to retrace. I might actually activate something here on this fifth. I have them off, but should have the one. Where are they, man? Let's get this one out here. Let's also get the 1618. It's already there. Let's get the 1.5. Let's make a 1.5 because it's not there. 1.5. And let's make a 1. Which is one. We'll make it the 1.786 or 382. We don't have a 382. And we'll make this one 1.786, right? That way we have some fibs to the upside to look forward to, right? So from 100% to get to the 1272, we still have a little bit of ways to go, right? So that's fine, still moving up. DVT all-time low, $2,000 volume. Where on DVT? Wow, that sucks. I don't like that, Jake. I don't like that at all, to be honest. I do believe in the project. I just hate to see it where it's at. What's going on with market cap, right? Like, we were looking for divergence here. That's fine. We did get it, right? We did move down. That's okay. Now, on the RSI, right? On a larger time frame here, we are going higher. And we are coming much lower here, right? So again, creating that strong bearish divergence. Now this can keep on climbing, right? We're just starting to build this still. We bought at 70.15 on market cap. Went up higher here, so that's really, really good. Again, positive momentum starting to build. It's okay. That massive candle killed the negative momentum and made positive momentum. That's okay. Like I said, I'm happy with the way crypto's moving today. On that note, let's go back here for resistances potentially. We haven't looked at those, and I'm not sure we're going to have a lot of this area. We seem to be hitting one. from back here. See that wick? Seems like we're hitting that area and we might be rejecting Alt H. I'll just put a number there. We might have something around. Yeah, there's not a lot of data back here. That's a problem. We could have something around here. Right, they shouldn't be going on red. They are red because I was, you know, trading stocks today, so I was doing other stuff. So there's all different stuff going on with my charts. Crypto Boss Andrew, hey, how's it going, man? Market cap again, very nice, man. Right, very nice. We're getting on market cap. It's super cool, man. Crypto's going up. A lot of coins are not going up on their own merit. They're going up on the fact that other coins are pumping. So let's go check out Bitcoin dominance at 65.63, dude. We're getting dominance. That's fine. That means a lot more people are interested in Bitcoin right now. And why not? It's at all-time highs. So 20,174 right now. Watching history. Let's go see history happen because, you know, it's going up. Who cares? It's a 65.65% market cap. Let's go watch history unfold. Bitcoin at 20,187. All-time highs. The new, real all-time highs, dude. And we're still on our way. If you remember this, I played this line a while back when we double bottom at 23,000 and change. Look, it's here on the 4 hour, and it's here, right? That's blue line that I placed over here at the double bottom. I said that's our target. That's where we're heading to right now, right? That's the target that we're looking for. Now let's go on the daily. Let's see what's going on. We're not going to have a lot of things to look at with Bitcoin because it's just going ballistics, right? Yesterday gained 9.92%. Today still gaining 3.95%. Everyone in China woke up and is like, oh, Bitcoin's so high, I'm going to buy more. And, you know, the Chinese are buying Bitcoin, apparently. Let's see what Europe does. Europe might get up in the morning and say, like, oh, those Americans and the Chinese, who knows? They're pumping up the price so I can cash out of my Bitcoin. Sell, sell, sell. I'm not sure what's going to happen in the morning, man. All I know is that we're going up too fast, too high, too fast. And that could imply that we're going to move down, right, at some point in time. When? Not sure. We're on uncharted territory. We're watching history. We're making new time highs. We're trying to figure out where we're going to go. We're going to look at different ways to look at this to try to determine where we could go with Bitcoin. Because everything we've done before, it has been support and resistances. So we're going to check out where we're going to go. Right, so we're coming in higher here, right? Much higher than here. Now we're doing more positive. 192, 187. Still slightly less. This is still building. So right now we will be developing some bearish divergence from back here, right? Gotta watch out for it. We also have it against the RSI. I'm just gonna point out the one against the RSI right now because that's a little bit more obvious. This one we can get rid of it really, really quickly, right? Like we're at 191 right now, and this is 192. 174, 185, so 192. That's the price to beat. We're at 190. So again, against the MACD, we're very likely gonna get rid of it. But against the RSI, we do have this bearish divergence, right? Let's get rid of this in the 1 hour. It should be there. This also. Get rid of it in the 1 hour. It's great stuff. So we're going higher, right? That's fine. I'm not worried about this. Let's keep on watching what Bitcoin's going to go do today. Again, target at 23,400 and change. I'm going to do something that we haven't done before. And that is, I'm going to try to flip some Bitcoin to, I'm going to take this blue line here as the all-time high. Right? And pretend that we're going to run from there again. That's why I have to look at this so that I can get some fib notes to come up. Alright. And let's see this look. Fib retrace, and we'll go from the high point here. Ignoring the wick, still low point here. And let's talk targets, right? Do we want to use this one or do we want to use this one here? I'll take the lowest that we've had here. Because a little bit more expansion up here. A little bit more time to run, a little bit more room to run, and don't look too bad. There we are. All right, so we're breaking above that 100%. We are going for that 272, right? Again, we're going to uncharted lands, so we're trying to estimate where Bitcoin could target. That's at 23,056. If you remember, on the 4-hour chart, I have a target at 23,400. So that gets us close enough to target, right, on the fibs, wherever I had them here in Bitcoin. And that's an area that we could look for as support. Now, another way to look at this would be, we could shift anchoring points, right? You can anchor to here if you wanted to, right? The previous low to run. I'm going to this low over here, right? This low, all-time low. And any of these moves that you make are going to affect where the fips are. For me, I'm going to pretend that we're running from the low to the high here. That seems to stabilize first, right? And then we seem to hit some resistance there before we actually burst through. Right, that's the one I'm looking at. Crypto Boomer! Good evening, exciting times. Yes, exciting times at Richmond High. Dude, it's going insane, right? We're all-time highs, dude. All-time highs for Bitcoin. Super excited, man. I'm super excited, man. Let's see what's going on here again. Going up, we're trying to get targets to where Bitcoin could go now. From the read from the low to the high here. That would be a good balance, because from a high, we did make a valid retrace, hit this area, and are starting to run. That's why I'm anchoring from the bottom to the high. Right, that's the channel I'm looking at here. Again, target at 20,069, and then above there we would have other targets, right? Like 24,600 and 26,341. Let's go back to Bitcoin on the other chart that we usually look at. Let's have this in auto. Let's zoom in. Again, a lot of data here. That's fine. This is the chart we usually look for. So, target at 23,400, right? On the double bottom, meeting target. Again, we impulsed up, we kind of flagged a little bit, then we burst through. We kind of rested here for a day, and then yesterday it just burst through, right? So, we talked about that yesterday. I said people are getting their Christmas bonuses, and I was joking around saying they're going to probably buy crypto. A lot of money came in today. I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people are putting their actual Christmas bonuses onto crypto. So on that note, overbought at 73.61. So let's go to the 4 hour. Where are we at in the 4 hour? If you can look at this here, we're live here at this candle. We still struggled for one more candle. Then we came up here, took a breather, and then by 8 in the morning, we started to pump, right? That 7 in the morning candle really just did a number on me. I'll show you why in XRP once we get there, because I wasn't ready for that move. And I wasn't able to set up my ints on XRP, and then at some point in time, I was kind of like guessing that, I was going to get in at late. I was going to be late to the party. And I'll talk about that once we get to XRP. But, I did get in on XRP. Not where I wanted to. But another okay area, which is okay paying off right now, like I said. Still getting a couple percent points on that. So it's good. Let's play something else because, Spotify's got its ads coming up. Right on. So we're moving up. Am I going to target things here? No, because we're on uncharted territory. We don't seem to have hit a good rest, or we have rejected for a movement down. So on that note, let's look at what's going on here. High, higher, possibly more positive, high on our side to our point. We had this bearish divergence here. We did move down on it. That's fine. We started to get tied between that 20 and the resistance at 19,496, and we just burst through, right? So it's fine. Overbought at 86.47. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Here's where we're going to start looking at targets and potential areas for retests. Right, so if you look at this, we're live here on the stream, maybe? Here, one of these candles here. We're still rejecting, right, this 19,496 area. And we just started to get tight on this area, that's fine. Until we burst above it briefly, and then we just got up to this level, right, which I told you was going to give us a little bit of resistance before we hit 9,000. I was expecting to see a lot more resistance here at 19,999. We didn't get it. I was a little bit, weirded out by the fact that we just burst through it, and then it's just been an uphill ride. That's because this was the all-time high here. It just burst through it like nothing. So it struggled a lot more with 19,496, as you can tell, right? We just rejected a couple times. But here, the all-time high, it's just like, there's nothing there, man. Let's just go. Come on, push. It's going up, so that's fine. All right, so first area for support that we're looking for, it would be here. Right, it seems that we settled here for a couple candles. We got some resistance. We moved back down. Then we faced resistance again here. Then we moved slightly down, and then we just burst through. So I would be looking for some kind of support on the way down at 20,890, right? That would be one of the supports. We've gone up again here. We seem to have hit an area also that could kind of give us a little bit of support because, it was resistance, right? And then we finally moved through. So maybe something around this area. Again, it's uncharted territory. We don't have a lot of information here. Right now, what we can do is best estimate where Bitcoin can go. Now, Bitcoin's just gone too high too quick for my taste. It's bound to get pulled back. Someone's gonna want to be taking profit. A lot of people are gonna start getting greedy. Let's just look at this real quick. It's probably an all-time greedy, dude. 92. Why? It was much higher last week, and it was such lower price. Anyways, we're still on extreme greed. 147, 115. So we're coming in lower here as we're going higher on the price, thus creating bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence. We're just climbing and still creating it. We're unable to make more positive momentum, right? That's one of the things that it's starting to give me alerts that, you know, we could start to see a slowdown on Bitcoin, at least some movement to downside. Again, we're on a bull trend, so bearish signals have a lesser chance of playing out. Remember that. But I am looking at Bitcoin and trying to determine where it's going to go. Right now, again, like I said, we're starting to get that bearish divergence. Do we have it here? I'm just going to have to double check. 87.30, 87.70. We're going slightly higher. We no longer have it against the RSI. And that's okay. For now, on Bitcoin, I would actually like to go in deeper and start looking at short time scales because we don't have a lot of data up here on the 1 hour. We can really look for a lot of supports and resistances like we were doing before. So again, looking at smaller time scales would give us better clues, and also try to get different fibs going on here, right? Another fib that I would like to do here on this same chart that we just fibbed on the daily would be, by the way, this was a measure move that I took on a Bitcoin move. Bitcoin moved, you know, some people were calling this a flag. I'm not buying it as a flag per se, but the move, it's there, right? From low to high, right? Then Bitcoin went up and broke, bursted upside. This, for me, it's like a bearish flag. It's up sloping. It's not really down sloping. Found support at the 20 beautifully, found support at 20 again. Then it just really took off and it hit the measure move. So it's doing good. It's bound to get pulled back and some flagging happening here. On the 4 hour, we haven't flagged after this nice pull up. So let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we did take a breather here, like I said, right? Finding some support here. And then support here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get fibs out, like I said. And I would call this the new high, I guess. Or that's what I would be targeting as a new high. Maybe here. High to low. See where we're at, dude. It's too short if it draw and see how we've gone through all the fibs already. So we could, in theory, come up here and say that this might be our new local high. We don't have a local high. That's a problem. So we don't know where we're going to go. We're guesstimating where we're trying to go, right? Crypto Boomer, I gave up trying to figure out where Bitcoin's going. I want to go wherever the fuck it wants to go. Yeah, dude, it is. But look at this. If we go here, right, we beautifully came up, rejected the 1272, and then we're moving up again, and we're rejecting right now the 1382. Right, so it could give us valid reads so far because we seem to have hit spot on areas that we're looking for, right, as we're moving. So this is one way I would be looking at this. Right, and then I would say probably if we manage to get above that 22,166, we'll be looking at 20,555 as the next area of resistance for Bitcoin, or potential area of resistance for Bitcoin, right? So again, I'm trying to guesstimate where Bitcoin can go because we don't have anything. There's people that are going to be doing like, what do we call them? Harmonics. There's people that are going to be trying to do Elliott Wave, and that's fine. I don't like them, but they do seem to help out on uncharted territory. I don't like them because they extrapolate too much data. Elliott Wave, if you don't do it right, you can screw up majorly. And even if you do it right, there's still so much data you're relying on or trying to infer that it's not great for me. So I don't like Elliott Wave. Gartley's harmonics like Gartley's bats, bear, all crabs, all these things, sharks, dragons. It's all based off harmonics, right? So anyways, Big Tamila, I was reading this was big short positions. I think the huge rally was to cover. Maybe, dude. Maybe there were a lot of shorts and they got liquidated. It could be, right? I mean, it's still sending Bitcoin to all-time highs, so grid's going to kick in. People are going to start FOMO. People are going to be trying to buy this. But look, every time, and what we haven't seen here, right? And we've seen it when it's been shorts that get liquidated. When it's shorts that get liquidated, we see the position do this, right? Like, it goes insanely high. All right, it goes insanely high, and then it pulls back down, right? And then it closes more or less halfway the length of the candle. And that's how we know that shorts got liquidated, because, it tries to bring balance back into the system. Here we haven't seen that. We've just been running since 8 in the morning, dude, right? So 8 in the morning here. This candle burst us through. You just kept it going, dude. Right now we're getting some pullback. That's fine. Like I said, I want to go into shorter time scales. to try to figure out if we have something going on. Look, Bitcoin here on the half hour, right? We're high. We came slightly low here, right? Let's just anchor this in the half hour because I don't want it to go on the daily. Again, giving that bearish divergence, we moved down slightly, took a pop, and what we're doing on this pop is we're managing to go much higher. But look here, we're coming lower still, right? Also on the other side, we're coming lower, right? So again, we have that strong bearish divergence from the half hour that would imply action to the downside. We can also look at other strategies that are out there to try to confirm some of the information that we're seeing. For example, I have here Supertrend and Fisher, right? And also have my ribbons of exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. We're above everything on the moving average, so right now they're not good for charting. The only thing we can look at right now, it's probably Supertrend, which is giving us an exit area at around 21,700, right? And if it drops below that area, we'll turn it into a sell. It sent a buy signal earlier today at December the 15th at 12, so midday. The 15th, yesterday. It sent out the buy signal, right? And if you would have bought yesterday at the buy signal, you could have taken this nice rally to the upside. Where you'd have this Bitcoin position, you could right now would be 11% to the upside. Now, Fisher did send the buy in at around 11 p.m. yesterday. And it's still a nice rally, right? You wouldn't have gotten this right down, let's say. But if you were to combine Fisher with Supertrend, right, you would have bought in. Supertrend was telling you that, you know, it was going to go up. Fisher said, no, it's going to go down in price, and you get that small pullback. Then if you were to anchor from here, right, and then ridden it to the upside at least, the first part, you would have exited here because Fisher was saying it was going to go out. But if you ignore Fisher and then you just go with Supertrend, you'll still be here. Bitcoin getting pullback, right? 21,766. Jake saying I might actually be able to get my 6 million DVT gold if the price stays under 2 sats for the next few weeks. I'm pretty sure it won't. We'll see what the DVT is going to do, man. Right now, I do believe it's an awesome price to buy it at. It's just a shame that the project's not performing so well. So again, these are other indicators that we could be looking for to try to determine where the trend is going, where the price is going, whether or not we should be taking an exit. Now, they're not foolproof. Like, for example, this would have told you to sell here, your position, and then it would have sent you to buy back here, because when the market's flat, it's not very reliable. All right, so again, Supertrend you got to be careful with, right? You would have exited here, again, buy back slightly higher, written it down a little bit, and then gone up. Yeah, you would have missed a little bit. You probably would have bought a little bit less Bitcoin. But in the end, you know, you were like basically covering yourself against a potential drop. It has not been always wrong. This sell would have been a good sell, right? You would have gotten covered a little bit. So, you know, I'm looking at different strategies. And that's why I've been looking at this for a couple days now. Trying to see if I can integrate them into the trading strategy somehow for whenever we were to get to the uncharted territories, right? Which is where we're at right now. So the half hour, again, bearish divergence, moving down. We're starting to see that resistance. We're bound to move down. The 20 being at 21,200. It wouldn't be weird if we moved down to there. Well, let's go to the 15-minute and see what's going on there. Dude, this is from the. I went on the. Let's anchor this here. I forgot. I thought I had this anchored on the 30-minute chart. For some reason, it wants to go lower. That's pain in the butt. But let's clear this out quickly. Why is it not letting me delete the first one, dude? There we go. So what's going on here, right? Same thing. Look, high, higher, low, lower, right? Bearish divergence, action, downside. We took a small move to the downside. Very likely hit that 20 on the 15-minute chart on Bitcoin. Let's check. Yeah, we did move down. We didn't quite hit the 20. But we did move down slightly, right, on that bearish divergence. Action to the upside, right? I would have loved to see this hit the 20. At least it would have been a better bounce, probably. And on that bounce, right, look at this. We are definitely coming much higher here, right? And we are still coming in much lower here. And obviously lower here. So strong bearish divergence still building. Now it really looks like he wants to go for that 20. That 20 here being at 21,603. Now, if we were to go and look at the other stuff that I was looking at, like Supertrend, let's see where it's at on, for example, let's say the half hour. It still stays buy. right? And it would have told you to buy also around 9 in the morning yesterday. You still see that the Fisher is still going up. It's too high for me, Fisher, here. Look, and Fisher is not trustworthy just for a price, because with the Clarice very little, look at how much Fisher dropped to neutral, right? And now we're taking a new bounce. So again, Fisher, not the best reliable, it'll just indicate whether or not the price is going to go down or up. And I would just use to confirm whether or not you're getting it at a good price on the buy, right? If you're seeing that it's going to turn down like it did here, right? You could be trying to get it at a slightly lower price still, and then try to rally it. So let's go to the 15 minute and see where it's at. The 15 minute would have said buy at 3:45 today in the morning. And then you would have seen this nice rally to the upside, right? So if you were to have obeyed this, you would have gotten 11.98% gains, which are still fairly good. Again, Bitcoin above all oscillators on all time frames, right? Even the 15 minutes. So on that note, let's get rid of this real quick and let's go back here. Again, we have a lot of bearish divergence, right? The 15 minute, 30 minute, right? The 1 hour, right? So we should be looking for a potential movement down right now. And it wouldn't be weird if we get it, right? Did we pull back here? 87.30, 86, we did. Sorry. So we have strong bearish divergence also against the RSI. We just confirmed, and that's fine. Because, you know, we were slightly higher earlier. Action to downside, that's the expectation right now for Bitcoin, right? So we're setting expectations to where price can go. If you're new to the channel and you like what we do, hit that bell and thumbs up. We only have 1 like so far. There's 14 people watching. Santa Claus is not going to bring you crypto if you don't like this channel. Now, let's go to Ethereum and figure out what's going on there. Because Ethereum is just following Bitcoin, right? Again, it's not doing its own thing. It's not pumping out of its own merits. It's just, you know, copying Bitcoin. Today's not going up as hardcore. Yesterday it did go up 8%. You know, that's fine. It's at 641. We do have targets at 671. Then we also have some resistance up here at, like, you know, 813. And there's probably something here around 700 and change. But we've talked about targets before for Ethereum. Now, are we doing something that we shouldn't be? Kinda. It's just the first island. I wouldn't like put a lot of weight on it. Again, this can keep on tracking. We can get rid of it. But until right now, we would be making strong bearish divergence. Look at that, right? And also against the RSI. So there's that potential fraction to the downside. Bottom the RSI at 64.06. But, you know, it's fine. We could be moving down. By the way, I didn't call it where we're at on Bitcoin on the 1 hour. And we're overbought, right? At 82.83. So Ethereum, there's that possibility for downside action. Again, starting to make positive momentum. Really wish this would play out to build more positive momentum. That would mean the price of Ethereum would pop up. We just got to cross off the MACD over the signal line, right? Meaning that we could be in for price action to the upside still. Well, let's hope that is the case. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, again, we're just going extremely high, really fast. Again, trying to follow and keep up with Bitcoin because money's spilling into all of crypto, right? It's just getting in through Bitcoin and spilling out. So we still have strong bearish divergence here against MACD. We're overbought against the RSI at 77.51. We don't have anything against the RSI, right? So let's go to the 1 hour chart. We have bearish divergence again, potential moving down. We seem to be getting that pressure again. Bitcoin is also seeing that move. Ethereum on the 1 hour, right? Look, I've been tracking this earlier, and I was really trying to gauge where it was going to be. Whether or not we're going to start a breakdown. I'm worried about a breakdown happening because, like I said, going up too fast, too quick, we do tend to get pullbacks. We do tend to get breakdowns. And particularly because Ethereum didn't run on anything that it created, right? It just ran on what Bitcoin had. It was nice and floating along here, right? And we knew, look, we hit a resistance here at 611. Then another resistance here, sort of, at 619. Then used it as support, and then we took a bounce. So we know we have good areas called here for support and resistance. And moving down, we haven't manufactured anything new. We might find some quick support here. I'll just put this one out here like that. At 629, it might be brief. I mean, we seem to have stopped there for a little bit, rejected, and then stop here again, and then used it as support. That's why I'm calling it there right now. It's just a short build support that it could have at 629. But again, I'm really, really looking for this move up. But if Bitcoin tanks, it's going to tank. Remember what I said yesterday. If Bitcoin pumps, it's not going to matter whether or not your coin had bearishness. It's going to go up. If Bitcoin drops, it's not going to matter whether or not your coin had bullishness. You'll very, very likely drop. The only time when alts are really free to do anything on their own is when Bitcoin is just standing still and moving sideways. And even then, they're most of the time just watchful to see what Bitcoin's going to do. Bitcoin leads the market. Bitcoin chooses what track what track we're going to dance to, right? That's how it rolls. Let's go check out XRP. Not liking what XRP is at. It's near my entry. So I'm getting around 55 today. It's dropping because it didn't have anything on its own, right? And that's why I don't like it. And I was like, pushing myself to get in here. I didn't take the exit because I did. Look, if Bitcoin keeps on pumping, this will very likely pump. It's just dropping again. Look, XRP was weak, right? My entry yesterday was here, 45,131. I had my alert there. I did move it up today. Up here, because I was worried that we're going to reject this area, which we just got close to and we are rejecting. But let's go on the daily first and start with XRP the proper way. We had the hidden bullish. We're taking that rally. That's fine. We're not creating anything that's bearish. Neutral 53.79. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour again, bearish there. We don't have anything. Do we? Yeah, hidden bearish. That would be about it though, right? Like high to low. Low to high, right? That's it, dude. There's that bearish divergence moving down. We're running the channel almost on this 4 hour candle from 58.72 to 54.81. That's very likely where the target's going to be. Try to see if we find support. Am I liking this? Not really, because XRP is not doing anything on its own. It's just following Bitcoin. And then when Bitcoin doesn't move, it just tends to fall. That's what it's doing, right? Like it's gravitating towards the 25-cent mark. Was I pissed that I missed this rally? Yeah, Bitcoin didn't give me a chance to get in properly and set up because it just went up too quickly. RSI 62.68, so bought. Then on the 1 hour, look at this. This was my entry level here. And last night my alert was triggering consistently. This was 1 in the morning, and then 2 in the morning, and then 4 in the morning, and then 5 in the morning, and then 6 in the morning. It just kept on triggering, but we're really not going up, right? We're just sideways. Then Bitcoin rallied, and this rallied, and it was just a on the last half hour, last couple minutes after minute 40 of the hour we were in, that it started to go up, and it just went up really, really quick for me. And then I started to see this. I waited a little bit, so I was like, yeah, I gotta get in. So I got in around 55. So I got in a little bit higher. I got in here. 55 or 50. I can't remember where I get in. I think it might have been 55 or 50. I'm gonna have to check my trade. But I think I got in here. So I probably got in around 50. 54 cents. That's where I get in. So it's close to 55. I was on this range. I remember. So when I said 55 and I was looking at this, I was like, oh, that's not my end, dude. So I got in around 54 cents. That would have been here, near the resistance. We had already broken it once. We're holding on support, above this downtrend, and that's where I get in. 54, rally a little bit, that's fine, and then it's moving down, waiting for it to do something. Andrew, XRP will never be worth 25. Mark my words. It would only dump because people saw ones that got the flare tokens. So how much do you think XRP is going to be worth, Andrew? Let me know. Anyways, this from the daily. It just, no, it's from 1 hour. 4 hour, maybe. It's weird that it's here because it shouldn't be. You can tell. It's anchored all improperly. Misbehaved. There we are. At least 10 this bull run. You think XRP is going to get to $10? I'm not sure, dude. I'm not sure, dude. Maybe, man. Let's hope so, man. Anyways, XRP moving down. That's fine. A little bit. Really hoping it would do its thing. Larry Perella, I got into XRP at 45 a.m. Eastern. Alright, that's pretty good. I've said 30 before on the high end. $1 XRP with the current supply. Maybe. Sorry, I gotta do something here real quick. Yeah, probably. I'm gonna play this, dude. I'm gonna try to like trade, buy, and sell as it moves. You know, it's taking a 1.91% drop. It's not that much yet. We'll see. Crypto Boomer saying we'll hit $1 for sure. A lot of people say that XRP is gonna go to $1, man. I hope so, man. I really hope it gets to $1. Right on. So again, like I said, right, XRP bearish divergence, action to downside, starting to see that play. Might come find support here at 54.81. We'll see when that happens. Getting back to bought at 69.13. And on that note, let's go and check out Litecoin. Where's Litecoin at? Let's go on the daily. There are 47 billion coins that can be sold from an escrow account. That's a lot of... Yeah, but they cannot be unlocked, dude. That's why they're on escrow. They just get unlocked once a month. So I know it's a lot of pressure, but the first thing can be unlocked. So high, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to higher. Yeah, slightly higher high. Neutral, sorry, bought at 62.49. So nothing here on Litecoin. It's just gone up to like $91.87 right now on the hidden bullish divergence. That's fine. Let's go to the 4-hour. Had bearish divergence, we move down. Now low, high, we already talked about this. We don't have anything bullish here. We're just following Bitcoin again, and that's why we're slowly moving down right now. Overbought at 72.84. We do have some bearish divergence that has developed since. All right, hit here. Oh, that's not the tool that I wanted to use. There we are. Then, in here, right? So some strong bearish divergence starting to develop against MACD, but nothing against the RSI. Neutral, overbought at 72.74. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. Yeah, I'll just keep shorting XRP and get wrecked. I'll fail to understand we're in a bull market. That's fine. I'm not talking about shorting XRP. I'm talking about selling it and buying it back in, dude. It's gonna, like bull markets. Just because it's in a bull market does not mean you're not gonna have drops and pumps, right? So every time the market's on an uptrend, it still gets pullbacks, it still gets corrections. Dude, just look at what happened a couple days ago in XRP, right? We're at 72 cents. We dropped all the way to 50 cents, 47 cents, right? That was a huge drop. And then, nah, it's not basically the same thing, dude. You can buy back in at a lower price and run back up with it. Right? So if you would have sold at 76 cents and you would have bought back in at 47, 50 cents, whatever it's at right now, you'll be buying a larger position of XRP, right? So you'll be taking more advantage of that. Right? So I'm not saying short it. I'm saying, like, you know, be smart with it. Like, if it's going to drop and you can tell it's going to drop, you can sell and buy back in, right? No XRP into stablecoin while it slides down. Drew buy. I love the platform, but the supply is your issue. I did. Yeah. I'm not saying it's not going to be a hit $1, dude. I'm just saying it has to get a lot of resistance first. And right now, it's not doing its own thing, dude. It's following Bitcoin. It's tanking harder, dude. It pumped harder than Bitcoin. It also tanked harder than Bitcoin. So XRP is a little bit of an extremist coin. Look, Bitcoin's still positive. It's making 2% positive right now on the day. Ethereum's making 0.27% positive. And XRP is losing 1%, 2% already on some exchanges, right? So how hardcore do you think it's going to be when everyone else is pumping and XRP is just taking a nap, right? Look, Litecoin's also losing, but it's only losing 1.37. And then Binance just didn't do much yesterday. It's not doing much today. But all I'm saying is, XRP is not doing its own thing. It's just being pulled up by Bitcoin. It's being propped up by Bitcoin. Unless it can do its own thing, every time Bitcoin takes a breather, XRP might try to go down in price, and that's something that could happen. And it's probably what's happening with XRP. Look, Litecoin going higher, pump, pump, pump. Right, not a lot going on here. Short term, we're creating bearish divergence. I'll show you that in a second, though. Why is it not letting me? There we are. From here and we don't have it here, so it's going slightly higher. So that's it. Bearish divergence, potential action to the downside on Litecoin. But look, I'll show you what I was talking about with XRP real quick. Look at XRP, it's tanking 1.90% right now. Bitcoin is also going down slightly, but it's not going down like it's going down 0.37% right now in this hour. Last couple hours it managed to go up, and XRP, look, even Ethereum, it's going down a little bit, 1.07, but XRP is just going down a lot more, right? 1.94, so almost 2% down. See what I'm talking about? That XRP just keeps like it's not doing its own thing. Like, and Bitcoin's taking a breather and moving down slightly, and XRP's like, oh shit, let's all jump ship, sorta. And that's how it rolls usually for XRP. Andrew's saying for the current trade I'm in, I'm targeting 92, then 118. Expect this trade to be less than 3 months. That's fine, bro. I mean, that's cool that you're playing a long-term position. Right now, I'm switching to a more of a short-term position play. Not because of it's dropping, it's because we are getting spikes. Look at XRP, bro. And you know, I hate myself for not playing this, but you know, look at where we're at. 70-some cents. Dropped all the way down to 45, right? Get good opportunities to buy here. Take another ride. Have another sell. Look at that massive sell that we got. And then we're taking another pump, right? So there are chances to play the market. Even here, look, drop, pop. This is a couple percent points, dude. This is almost a 5%, 12% gain, right? In a couple hours, right? So if you're able to buy and sell and do it properly, look at this, 17%, right? This one's massive today, by the way. 32%, right? Since it hit this low over here. So you could be able to do something with that, right? Anyways, let's do Binance. Binance didn't do jack yesterday, so I'm not sure if it's really going to be worth looking at it. Let's go on the daily. It pumped a little bit, but not by much. It just went up 3%, about $1, sitting at $30.54. Yay! It's not doing jack. No, high, low, positive is positive. High, side, low point. That's fine. Let's go to the 4-hour. High, higher, coming down lower again. Starting to develop. Third candle. Let's wait and see. But right now, it is having this strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, right? We're starting to get this candle that's starting to face that pressure from the bearish divergence, and that's okay. Now let's go to the 1-hour chart. Higher, right? Higher, high, slightly lower. I would say 120. 113. So yeah, slightly lower here within the same island. So we have this hidden, the strong bearish divergence starting to develop, and it's you know, within the same island, so that's fine. Getting that pressure to the downside. Right now, bought at 62. We could be looking maybe for some support around this area, right? It wouldn't be weird. We seem to have hit some support here, and then became resistance here, right? And also support here. So we could be looking at an area of support and resistance around here if this were to move down slightly. We also have the 20 to look forward to at $30.13. $30.13. That's it for Binance, dude. Let's check on Bitcoin real quick, see where it's at. Oh, it's dropping 21,851. Why, Bitcoin? Get above that area, man. You can do it, Bitcoin. You can do it. We still have 14 minutes to go on the candle. Let's go check something else. Let's go look at ADA, man, because a lot of y'all like ADA, so why not? Cardano, it went up. Wow. Again, we don't have anything bearish right now. They go up, hit resistance. They all 100%. And also hit the resistance at 17.15 cents. That's fine. Reject it. And right now it's sitting at 16.69. So we're still moving down to that. And you know, seeing a little bit of that indecision at play. Bought at 60.20 on the RSI. So really, I would wait for this to determine a little bit what it wants to do. Might try to get another go here, and then if is unable, it would very likely drop, but it was gonna very likely follow Bitcoin. Let's go to the 4-hour ADA. Bearish divergence, right? Potential for action to the downside. That hidden bullish still came into play. Pumped us up. That's great. So from here to here. Here to here. Right now we're sitting bought at 68.80. So again, there's a chance that we could go down on the bearish divergence that we're developing here. Strong bearish divergence. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour, right? Low, high, possible high, there's such a hard point. That's great, I would say, yes. And then here, short term, right? So from here to here. From here to here. And then we don't have it against RSI. I just bought at 65.81. But again, strong bearish divergence, potential for a movement down, and we're starting to get that move, right? Target would be the 20 at 16.21. That's the current target. Again, if we take a bounce there, we could be retesting again 17.28 and move up. So that's good news for ADA. Let's wonder if XRP is going to drop more though. So I did set up a P&L here, a quick one. You know, I was gonna take profit at 5%. I got greedy and I hope it was gonna go up here. And then I just been, you know, writing it out a little bit, trying to see if it's gonna actually try to recover. I do have an exit here though, a 5% drop. So hope I don't have to trigger this around 52 cents. I would hate it. If XRP drops below 54, it will very, very likely try to retest this old channel that it broke out of. And then if it does, it would still could come down here to 47.54, right? That is, if Bitcoin drops, XRP could very, very likely drop a lot more. So time will tell. Again, set up alerts if you're worried about Bitcoin moving. So I'm gonna go check out DVT real quick, because why not? We're here, right? DVT is not that low, 1.4 sats. It's okay. All-time lows would have been here at 7. I'm not sure if I'm gonna find anything here, Jake. I know you said you're gonna buy more of this, but let's check this one out real quick. And then again, if you guys want to look at any coins, let me know. We'll look at RSR after this, because why not, right? And if you got any coins you want me to look at, let me know in the chat. And I'll definitely look at them. So again, I'm just doing this one real quick. Little high, little high, little high. Right, nothing there. No, lower, more negative, lower on the other side. Nothing there. So nothing on the 1 hour. That's okay. Let's go to the 4 hour. High, low, lower, negative. That's negative again. I don't like this one because we're going from like really, really overbought here to here, and then from here to here. So you know, we do have some bullish divergence. Probably why we popped a little bit. Look at this, it dropped to like 7 sats. If you would have bought at 7 sats and sell here at 1.4 sats, 0.7 sats, sorry, and sell here at 1.4, you would have doubled your dough really quick, right? So good ins for this project. You get some nice swings sometimes. That it's good to play if you can play them. So yeah, there's not a lot of orders in book to the downside. And the next order, a major order is up here, so. Let's go to the 1 hour. No, daily. Unholy the. Hey man, can I take a quick look at Binance? The Binance Bitcoin value is so undervalued right now. Sure man, I can get Bitcoin to Binance. No worries. Let me write it down though, because I need to write it down. That's how I track what we look at or what we have to look at. Binance to the Bitcoin. Right on. Binance to Bitcoin. Alright, so on the daily, again, coming lower. Right. Low, lower. Negative, less negative. Low on their side to higher point. Strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside on Binance. That's 0 on DVT. Let's go here. I did set RSR first, and after that, a request, right? So let's do RSR, and then we'll do Binance to Bitcoin. Why not? Where's RSR at, dude? Oh, I did take a nice pop. I did get all the way up here to 2.2 cents. I missed that one. Anyways, pull back down again with the rest of crypto. That's fine. Neutral. No, so not a lot going on here, right? Except for the hidden bullish that's propping us up. Let's go to the 4 hour again. Just very likely follow Bitcoin. Yeah, followed Bitcoin. Nice rally. Starting to flag a little bit. That's okay. Low high, positive or positive high on the other side to our point. Not a lot going on up here. A little bit choppy, and it's fine. So bought at 67.14. Let's go to the 1 hour. Coming in higher. Right. So here, right. This is where it gets to the bearish divergence, and probably the reason that we're going down. And again, here I don't see them targeting up here. So it might have not hit. It's probably just missed. It's probably not. It's just bad information on the chart, on the daily chart. Strong bearish divergence, actually the downside. Here the highest it got was 22.3, and then on the daily it says 22.8. So it just has data that's off. That's not there 100%. So I'm getting that bearish divergence moving down. It's okay right now. So let's go check out Binance to the Bitcoin. Right. So you know why this is, right? Bitcoin is pumping and Binance is not moving. Why is Binance not moving? I don't know, man. It hasn't moved a lot lately. It's just been like pegged around $30 for a while. Alright, so let's look at this on the daily and see if we can tell something. Right on. So look, we're coming down here like hardcore. And then we made some strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. We don't have it against RSI, so we did take that small pop, rejected the 20, moved farther down now. We did make some positive momentum, high, low, positive plus positive. Low. Right, so from up here, or up here to fair, here, somewhere up here. We become lower. We did go from native to more native, right? So that's one thing, right? Hidden bearish. Move this down again. Now we've created strong bullish. So if I'll go from here, from native to positive, and from low to high on the RSI now. I would really love to anchor this one from back here, and it's the same thing again. It's just all one island, so I could anchor from here. It's all one move down still, so you know, still plays out. For strong bullish divergence, some potential action to the upside. That's what I'm looking for here on the daily, but again, not looking too strong right now. On the 4 hour, look at this, lower, more native, lower on the RSI. So not a lot here that is bullish, and also nothing that is bearish here. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the RSI to a higher point. So you know, just breaking down again because Bitcoin pumped and Binance fell to pump. Right, that's why it's diverging with the price. Could it come back? You know, it might. It just depends, really, man. Again, on the 1 hour we don't have anything. It's just doing the opposite of Bitcoin, right? Taking a massive drop. It's negative, more negative, low on there, side lower point, lower also. So nothing here. Low, high, positive, more positive, high on there, side to a higher point. So nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Again, just keeping its value in dollars is what's not allowing it to move, right? So that's it. I feel another sleepless night incoming. Yeah, I'm gonna hate tonight. That's it for Binance $1. Again, dude, I wish I would give you more information, but it's not looking too hot right now because Binance is failing to move. Is it undervalued? It could be. It could be that it's undervalued. It's been undervalued for a long time, right? It's just like, you know, taking a massive drop forever. But again, Bitcoin has been recovering like none other, and all coins are failing to recover. XRP be at 7 cents tomorrow. Yeah, dude. If Bitcoin drops, it's not going to go there, man, right? So we need Bitcoin to go above and beyond what it could do right now. It's 1 hour candle right now. It's starting to undo the previous one. It's actually bearish engulfing now. So, 4 minutes left on the Bitcoin chart. The XRP still dropping. Oh no, it's at support, man. It's near my entry. Why? XRP, why are you testing support at 54.81? Why? Come on. No reason to drop that much, right? Look, Bitcoin's still 1.76% positive today, and XRP is just taking a massive, or not a massive, it's just taking a move down. Let's just say what it is, right? Do I like it? No, I just freaking hate it, man. Because right now, it just confirms that I shouldn't have gone in, and I should have just stayed out of it, at least for the time being, right? And, fucking XRP, man. I should have just put it all on Bitcoin instead of XRP, dude. Bitcoin just kept on moving up. I thought XRP was going to pump a lot more, because it looked like it was going to run still, right? And, but it's just failing to perform, dude. That's XRP's history, right? It's a failed to perform coin. So I hope it gets a bounce at least, a good bounce, because it really, like, it has no reason to drop so much if Bitcoin's still holding its price up here, right? Near all-time highs, so. I'm going to have a clear exit before I'm going to get out of here, and, it's going to be it, right? Go XRP, make Detroit great again. Thanks for being here, man. The all-holiday lol, dude, I feel your pain. Yeah, it's not pain, dude. I'm just like, you know, it's just a project that, for me, it has a lot going on for it to be underperforming so much. And it's just like, you know, the crippled crypto, man, right? It drops too quick. It pumps blandly. You know, it's just... I hope it doesn't drop that level, man. Again, if it drops this level, very likely it can come to 47, 50, 54 again, so... And it just looks like it really wants to drop, dude. So I'm waiting for this 1 minute and 38 seconds to go to see where it's going to be at. You're in at 25 in XRP to take profit. What percentage should you take? That's up to you, bro. I cannot tell you what percentage you should take. It's entirely up to you. You should take as much as you feel comfortable taking out, and keep as much as you're willing to keep in. Right now, you can take out your initial capital and just play with whatever you got left, because you're doubled your money already. So if you put in $1,000, you're already at 2,000. Take out 1,000, and then just play with the 1,000 that you have left. And then you're not risking any of your initial capital. You're just risking in your profits, right? That's not looking hot. 52 seconds. Come on, man. Hold above. And it's just right. It just dropped below, man. Fuck it might drop below. Oh no, man. Let's pump back above, dude. Come on, XRP. Don't do something okay. Stop like messing around with me, man. Ah, oh, someone that subbed, dude. Make Detroit great again. You've been here for a while and you never subbed. Thank you for subbing, dude. Would I long or short Bitcoin on short term right now? Oh, shit, dude. That's a good question. I do believe it's too high for its value, so I do believe it could go down short term. How short term? I'm not sure, dude. It's making all-time highs. We'll try to guesstimate some supports. Just give me a second, dude. I might try to exit my XRP holdings right now, because... Unholy DK. Also subbing. Awesome. Thank you guys for subbing. Thank you for being here also. About to sell my XRP, actually. I think. It looks like he wants to close below or above, dude. It's just there. You know, it's like... Dude. Closed at 54.73, so slightly below. But right now it looks like he wants to hold on to that support. Come on, man. I'm going to have to check Bitcoin out. Bitcoin, we're calling for some supports, right? Mainly at 21,400. So if you're gonna short it, again, this is recently manufactured. We don't have a lot of data going on for Bitcoin. Where could you drop to? Well, 19,900, the previous all-time high, would be a good target, right? If this undoes this, it could be a nice drop. Another drop you could get would be 20,890, right? Those would be the moves that I'm looking for right now. On this, an XRP 54, 55. Come on, pump it up, man. Again, it was dropping too quick, man. It's dropping too much, dude. XRP now, again, If it holds support at this level and confirms this candle closing here, it has another shot at going to 58. It's going to depend on whether or not Bitcoin just stays steady and allows some cryptos to run freely and do their own thing. If you like what we do, hit that like that button and sub. Some of you already subbed, so Santa Claus might bring you crypto this Christmas. I'm not sure. But if you haven't subbed, sub and hit that like. We only have 6 likes. We have 19 people, 20 people watching. Come on, hit them likes. Love this show. Steve S. My friend says to go long under 54 cents in XRP. All he trades and he's successful. Not sure if I'm buying it, but the market is bullish. Yeah, you don't want to counter trend. You don't want to counter trend trade, right? You want to trade with the trend. The trend's upsloping. You want to trade upside. However, there are pullbacks, and those pullbacks you can take advantage of if you can find a good indicator that might tell you, like, and you have targets. So, for example, I've been targeting this for the last couple hours. I knew there was a chance it might move down. It seemed to have stabilized, which was fine. And right now, again, Bitcoin moved it down. So we're trying to recover a little bit. Maybe XRP realized that, oh no, I panicked too quick, man. I was running already. Like, like those raisers that, the gun hasn't even banged for them to start raising. And it's just like, here's the smallest click, and it just starts running, and it's like, oh shit, dude. False start. Sorry, man. I thought we were all gonna drop together, man. Did I drop too much? Let me recover a little bit. Let's reset this a little bit for the race, right? I feel that's what XRP is doing, dude. It's like, look, Bitcoin, 1.93% to the upside on today's, right? Ethereum, 0.06 negative, so it's not dropped that much. XRP, 3% to the downside. Why not, man? I started dropping sooner than I expected, man. Yeah. See the meme you posted on Discord? Yeah, for the Lambo. Yeah, I seen that. Right now, I might shift my XRP to something else, dude. Because for reals, it's not moving a lot. So I might shift it into Ethereum. I might shift it into Bitcoin. It's just annoying the crap out of me that it's not doing great. Look at this, Bitcoin still trying to recover a little bit. It didn't drop as much, right? Look at the previous candle for Bitcoin. It didn't bearish engulf it. And look at XRP, man. It's just like, oh, I'm too weak. I'm dead. I'm hit. Medic. Oh, sorry, well, dude. It just grazed my shirt. It didn't actually hit me, That's what XRP feels like. XRP trying to get a Lambo, a land. Yeah, I think Ethereum is a better bet. It was way overdue. Yeah, and Ethereum at least can target 700 and change. So I do believe about $100 pump move could be coming in for Ethereum. Could a big pump be coming in for XRP? Yes, but again, XRP is just like, you think it's gonna pump, and like it does the complete opposite. XRP, dude. Like, people start, like, for boasting one of the biggest like armies on crypto, and people that are so hardcore, like, XRP is gonna go to the moon. XRP is the next best digital asset. It's the best digital asset ever created. Whatever all this crap that gets talked about on Twitter and on YouTube. They have the wimpiest army ever. It drops so quickly. Everyone runs from it. Steve, 650, breaks boo. MC, yeet! I'm 60% in XLM, 40% in Bitcoin since before the bull run of 2017. That's good, bro. That's pretty good, MC, yeet. Steve, and we're launching Crypto Boomer. Way much overhead pressure. Yeah, there's way much overhead pressure. I'm starting to really dislike XRP. Yes, Boomer, I am disliking XRP. I might get out again if it gets to 58. I might switch it onto something else. Again, Ethereum's already doing positive on today, right? Look, and XRP is still negative on the day, right? Look, Ethereum be like, oh, right now it just turned negative. It's actually 0.01 positive. You're gonna see it up here. So it's right now it's 0.05 negative. But it depends on what chart. This one says positive, so look, it's slightly positive. And XRP is like, yeah, you guys can do what you want. I'm gonna drop. I'm gonna take a nap here, guys. I think I want to go for a nap, and I'm gonna fall asleep. Crypto Boomer, I'll go to 59 cents, and we'll both hold only to watch it tank again. Yeah, I'm gonna sell at 58.72. Likely. That's why I have an alert there. Right? It didn't hit it today already. I was thinking I was gonna hit because I was a run. I was expecting to get. And I already had hit 5%, but you know I got greedy and didn't do it. And I don't count this candle. We're live here, but you know, don't count this candle. So does someone want to poke XRP with a stick? Make sure it's not dead because there's just no tanking. It's like falling asleep at the wheel, dude. It's like the market. Everyone on crypto's like on the fast lane. XRP's just like, yeah, I want to swivel a little bit, you know. Oh wait, I'm falling asleep, man. Get back in line. Let's get back in line. Let's try to pump it up again. I think we're just talking smack about crypto today. That's the stream tonight. Bitcoin all-time high, smack talking. XRP so good, make you want to slap y'all mama. Detroit saying hard to hold, but definitely not buying at this prices. Yeah. I got back in more or less where we're at, so I'm still waiting. There we go. Uma Jeeks. Let's check out Uma. Oh, by the way, today trading was super good in the morning, dude. Pulled up like 4 to 5% gains. It was good trading today on the stocks. I can't remember where I had Yuma, dude. I think Yuma's not on the ones that I had alphabetically ordered. Here it is. Yuma on the daily. Wow, it did take a nasty drop, dude. We're looking for some kind of bearish divergence where we no longer have it. We talked about undoing it extremely quickly, very likely. It did go to 12 buckaroos, 12.50, and then it took a massive drop to $9. Wow, it's a massive, massive drop. And moving down, still pulling back down. So, has bearish divergence from right here. Again, second candle building. I'll just go from here though. Alright, strong bearish divergence starting to develop against the MACD, right? Against the RSI we don't have it. We're just bought at 60.07. Let's go to the 4 hour here. Rejecting $10.42. We knew it was a target there. Rejecting that zone. Trying to hold on to it at 236 slightly and breaking below it right now. We actually wicked all the way up here, right? So that's fine. Here's just very, very short time frame. We made strong bearish divergence for actually the downside, right? So it has some bearish divergence. Move down on that. Let's go. We don't have anything else. So let's go to the 1 hour, dude. And this is from the daily. I might have forgotten to anchor it there. Yep. Go back to your daily time scale. There we go. Right on. So what do we have here, dude? Went up too high, right? To the next fib node, which we knew was a target. Rejecting it, you know, failed to hold on to 10 cents, then rejected 10 cents, and then moving down. So that's fine. Low, lower native, more native, low on the other side, lower point. Nothing bullish here. Nothing bearish here, dude. It just tanked on rejection. That's it. It doesn't have anything bearish. It doesn't have anything bearish here. High, low, positive. It's positive, high on the other side, lower point. There is a positive momentum on here. Low, lower, native, more native, low on the other side, lower point. Neutral at 45.64. Dude, if you were buying this or you were holding this yesterday, when we were down here at, oh no, yesterday we already started to take a round, right? So we were like around here. So you're basically at yesterday's prices. So if you did not sell up here at 3 in the morning or midnight, you're just basically where we're at yesterday. Not too hot if you didn't sell it. What other coin gets requests here usually? C-3PO. There you go. C3PO or KP3R, whatever this project is, right? Bearish divergence, action to downside. We did pull back down. Oh no, guess what? Still there, and still there. Moving down. That's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence. And moving down on that. Great. Bought neutral at 55.38, so nothing building yet. Let's see this. 258. 3. I lie. There is something. Hidden bullish. Would hidden bullish play? Hidden bullish is a tricky thing to call, right? Remember what I told you guys? If you keep on dropping, we'll still have it. As long as we keep making more negative momentum. Right? Let's keep on making more negative momentum. Just can keep on dropping, and we still have hidden bullish. That's why I don't like it so much. It just gives us an idea that we could start stalling, maybe. It will go up. It always does. Maybe Boomer. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, bearish divergence, moving down. Try to get pump. Failed to go higher than the previous high. Dropped again. Low, lower. We did have some hidden bullish here for this secondary pop here. Right here. Right here. And from here to here. Dude, that pop didn't create anything bearish, just dropping lower. 556. 549 still less. Wow, that's good. Strong bullish divergence right now. So right here and from here. Right, this is 556, this is 549. So it's a little less. If it drops, we'll not longer have this bullish divergence, but we now have some strong bullish divergence. They try to get for price action to the upside. That's it for KP3RBUSD, man. And let's go check out Bitcoin again, because it's the main attraction today. And it's Bitcoin's day. Don't try to steal the show and spotlight from it. Again, XRP still losing 3%. Yay, XRP, the weakest coin in the market. The weakest of the top 10. Which is sad when, Tether is worth more than XRP. Right now, I'm not sure if Tether is still worth more than XRP, but it used to be at some time, and that's just sad, right? The stable coin, it has so much more market cap than a crypto. Sorry guys, I'm checking something out here real quick. The truth is here. Can you please explain why NPXS, Ethereum pair on Binance is stable? Why so much sell pressure? Yeah, I can look at that, dude. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to answer that against Ethereum. Right, but yeah, we can check it out, dude. It could be because Ethereum and NPXS are not doing anything against Bitcoin. Right, so they might be moving equally against Bitcoin, and that's why they're 1-to-1 against each other in value, right? Against the dollar, that probably increased in the same amount. So I'm not sure why NPXX to Ethereum, but let's check it out. No problem, dude. Right. 31. Whatever we're looking at here. Dude, this is horrible. I cannot even look at this. Let's go on the daily. This is the worst chart ever, man. Like, it's so choppy because they're almost, you know, the value, it's not moving much against each other. That's why you're seeing it flatlined. Even USD stable. Thanks. All right, let's check it against the dollar, dude. Yeah, and NPXS USD. There we go. I had a typo. So look at it against Tether, man. Right on. So against Tether, it don't look so sharp, so stable, right? It's taking a rally, man. So yeah, I'm not sure I would call this super stable. It did go from 14 cents all the way up to 20 cents. That's a good rally, right? That's a good percentage gain. Look at that. And it just probably has gone up in the same value, on the same value relation on a dollar basis than what Ethereum has gained. So that's probably why they're both the same. That's what I would be estimating right now. But let's look at this, dude. We had some bearish divergence. We broke down that. That's fine. We pumped. They created bearish divergence, right? Look, we have one here, from here. Doing two parts just to show ya. To show ya that I know ya. What is this project? PundiX. Pundi. PundiX. I'm being a weakling. I'm strong, sad. It reminds me, like, I'm not sure why this project reminds me of Strong Sad. Bearish divergence, strong action, downside moving down. Low, high, right? If you'd never watched Homestar Runner, you don't know what I'm talking about. So just ignore my comments regarding Homestar Runner. And strong bad and the cheat. Hidden bullish, taking that small pop, that's fine, right? That's what we're looking at right now. Bearish divergence, move down. We're trying to get a pop. If this pop fails to go higher than this previous high, we're very likely going to tank again. Let's get the Bollinger Bands out here, see where we're at. We're probably above the 20. Yeah, we're above the 20. Trying to find support there. And a potential movement down. Neutral at 54.25. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. By the way, if you guys like what we do, hit it like that on that sub. And the truth shall set you free. We had bullish divergence here on the 4 hour chart, right? Sounds like there's going to be a shark attack somewhere. Right, bullish divergence, action to the upside, taking that pop. We had some hidden bearish, move this down. When against RSI, again move down slightly, took a pop, now creating strong bearish. Again, we don't have that against RSI, just against the MACD, right? Strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. Let's move on our chart. There we go. Strong bearish divergence, action to downside. That's what's playing us down here, right? That's what matters, what's happening now. Heading for that 20, trying to find support. That 20 being at 1934, whatever I'm looking at here. Cents. So 0.000 1934. So not even a cent, right? Like 0.019 cents. That's it, dude. Neutral at 53.15. Back to Bitcoin. And XRP. No! Pump, man, pump! Pump your butt off, XRP! XRP is still struggling to go higher and do positive stuff today. Dude, come on, XRP. You can do better than that. XRP, you troll like a girl. Yeah, I know. You know, tosses the ball like the dollar signs, like a couple of cents off. That's it. Oh, dude, I hate this. What else you gotta look at? What else you guys want to look at, right? Another quest coming in. There's been a lot of playbacks. That's good, man. 2 subs so far that I've seen. Thank you guys for subbing tonight and being awesome supporters of this channel. Mega Detroit great again, and Dion Holly DK. Yeah, what else do you guys want to look at? Let me know. Because if you don't want to look at anything, it's gonna be a stream for tonight. It's a historic stream. It's current all-time highs. When was the last time you saw Bitcoin at an all-time high? Never, because it's all-time highs today. That's it. It's first time all-time high. Nothing really matters except Bitcoin. Yeah, I agree. And then Ethereum pumps, they also will move. Yeah, very likely, man. That will likely be the case, Lord Vader. I'm not sure who's still with me, but thank you guys for being here, for reals. I'm not sure who's still watching. There's been a lot of you guys that popped in today. Jake was here earlier. Andrew was here earlier. I think he's still here. Larry Pirella was here earlier. Victor Miller, Urban Villain was here earlier. Crypto Boomer was here earlier. And Dion Holly DK as well. And Make Detroit Great again. And MC Yeet, who's, I'm not sure if he's still here or not. But, and then The Truth was here. But The Truth has left. So if The Truth is gone, I'm not sure if he's gone, but he's quiet then. But if The Truth is gone, does that mean that we're an untruthful channel? Because we don't have The Truth with us? That's not good. I want to have The Truth with me. In the chat. I'm streaming. The wife came in. 1 second. Make sure she doesn't need anything super important. I am back. Manvirsan. Sing. I'm not sure how to say your last name, dude. I think 30k is the top. Going up now. Yeah, I don't think 22k is the top. Chris Toshak. Boomer still here. Just in the lazy boys watching from the distance, waiting for BNT to pop on Coinbase. Thank you, Chris Toshak. And Steve say, I think it will be 23,000, then heart, then hand around. Yeah, dude, we do have a target for 23 and change, right? You guys remember that. The truth's still here, so we are still a truthful channel. That's awesome. The truth's still with us. Yeah, you'll remember this, right? We called this target a while back. We even write something up here. Target! We're targeting up here after double bottom, measure move. We did move down slightly, which is okay. Right now we're trying to get that move up. You know, these downsloping channels started looking a little bit like XRP's delay reaction, right, on that large channel to the downside. Would remember we have a target up here, 23,462. And then we have Fibs out also. Fibs out and about. Did we reject the Fib? We didn't check. Yeah, we rejected a Fib. We rejected the 1382, right? Hang around before dropping under 20k, the following 10k roadmap. To follow that, Dude, I'm not sure, Steve, what you said there. Hang around before dropping under 20K to follow the 10K roadmap. Maybe you're talking is going to go to 10K. This sign. I wanted to go close 22K before sell. Yeah, that would be a good target. I would say 22,166, right? 20,166 might be a good target. It is a fifth note that we just noticed that we rejected there, so that's fine. Now, I would be worried that we've created some kind of resistance here. Let's write that one there, because we know this is all new. This is uncharted territory. So we manufactured this new support, our resistance, the new potential support and resistance, in this new area of potential resistance. Because it seems that we topped here, and now we move down. We're going to test it again. We might get above it. Who knows? Still yet to be determined. Just watching XRP try to recover. It's like, I'm trying to get up there, man. Slowly but surely. But I will. Someday. Get up on that ledge again and take that leap of faith so my price might go up. Steve S. It'll hang around in the 22, 23 range, then drop under 20K. So follow. We're having the Bitcoin getting over 10K earlier this year. All right, cool. Yeah, dude, maybe we can get some sideways motion happening here. I'm not sure. Not sure yet, right? Again, I'm like worried about XRP's performance. Maybe I should just shift everything to Ethereum. Look, Ethereum was at 6% earlier. It's already gaining 0.18%, right? So if I would have shifted when I said, I would have be gaining some profit right now. Not enough to cover my exchange fees, but some profit nonetheless. Maybe against XRP it's gained a lot more. Who knows? I don't even think it's traded against XRP on the exchange I'm in. So maybe it is. I don't know. I haven't checked. Is it against XRP? I'm not sure. No, it's just XRP to Bitcoin. I have to go to Bitcoin no matter what so I can get to Ethereum. So in that case, I would just rather stay in Bitcoin. I've sold XRP at 57. I don't. It going up. Right. Yeah, it might, dude. It might top. I do have some resistance up here at around 58, 72. I'm not sure if it's gonna get up there again, but that's the move I'm looking for right now. My exchange is weird, bro. Their interface is really messed up, dude. I'm getting tired of my exchange. How much I've invested into Bitcoin, Ethereum? That's a personal question. A lot. I got a lot more on XRP though. But I got a good chunk on Bitcoin, if that helps answer your question. Yeah. And today's trading was really good in the morning. I know, Steve, you haven't asked, but yes, it was really good. I did make my percentage goal for the day. So, good trading today in the morning in stocks. Because why not? They were good, man. And a lot of crypto breaking out of downsloping channels, right? Could target another rally. That's why I'm hopeful that XRP might do something. I know it didn't pump out on its own merit. It's pumping out because Bitcoin did. But it's at least it's breaking out of a downsloping channel, and that could usher a new potential rally, right? Again, not only XRP, Ethereum's also breaking out of a somethingness. I'll need to check on the 4 hour. There's probably something that I'm missing here. Right, maybe something like this and something like this, maybe. A little bit of rising. Yeah, breaking out also, right? Everything's breaking out of something. With volume and with strength, and that's what we want to look at here. This is slightly higher still. So this could still be a rising wedge of sorts. There we go, but still bringing it to the upside though. Undersign. I think Bitcoin does move up like 4 steps, which has down, then goes down based on our chart. Either way, I come back late 2021 and we'll be happy, I think. Wow. Steve. Oh, sorry, I didn't read those comments earlier. I'm in ADA pretty hard right now. Might just set it and forget it. Stressing me out, trying to make it the correct call. Yeah, if that's happening, you're probably overinvested. Or you don't have a good read on the market. When you have a good read on the market, you're not that stressed. And when you're not overinvested, you're not that stressed. If you're overinvested, you're probably really stressed because you're really expecting something to happen or the price to go somewhere, and that's when you start making bad calls. So I would tell you that if you're overinvested, consider adjusting your position and diversifying more, maybe to other cryptos. And if you're still feeling bad, you're probably still overinvested in crypto in general. Fuck, I don't want to wake up tomorrow and have XRP be at like 47 cents. I'm gonna be super pissed, man. I'm gonna be really, really pissed if it's back at this fucking level, dude. It better just like move up from here because it's holding on to the support. It looks like it wants to hold on here, so still got like 26 minutes to go, 25 minutes to go. Just too focused on it. Just need to remember where we are at in the cycle. Yeah. Are we on the I'm a genius phase or I'm not sure which part of the cycle we're at, but Bitcoin 21,854. How high did he go right now? 21,914. What? That's crazy. You're crazy, fool. Look at this. It's not doing much with the bearish divergence, right? It looks like it's just flagging a little bit before it runs again. Making a little bit of negative momentum, that's it. It's like, dude, I don't give a damn about your negative momentum. I told you enough times. I just want to run and be free. I want to go higher still, create more bearish divergence, send it all to hell packing. That's what I think is going to happen right now, actually. It wouldn't be weird, right? Look, Bitcoin's not really going down hard on the bearish divergence because it's super bullish still. Europe's gonna come in, and Europe might be pansies and actually, like, you know, tank Bitcoin and take profits and be like, ha ha ha, stupid Americans! I'm gonna take the profit from the Bitcoin, ha ha ha. And then I do it with a French accent, which probably super racist, but I don't care. It's going higher, then it's coming lower, right? So that's it, dude. That's what I'm looking for right now. Maybe some bearish divergence to develop. If it is to go up, right? I mean, it does have the bearish divergence. It does have all the technicals for a movement down. But just the fact that it's hanging at this level and it's not really dropping much. It's just like doing what it did here, right? It's what's getting me to think that it might try to move up still. When did I start investing into cryptocurrency? When it was $400 Bitcoin? No, I didn't start investing when it was $400 Bitcoin. See the 4-step compared to other bull? I'm not sure which 4-step you're talking about. Like here, 4 steps? 1, 2, 3, 4? Like 3 rising peaks? Or 3 rising valleys? Is that what we're talking about? Right? 1, 2, 3 valleys? Bullish trend reversal? I'm not sure which 4 steps you're talking about, Manvir. But let me know. Carter Sims. I don't think we'll see a hard reject until mid-23. Yeah, and actually that's where my target is, dude. Like, right. Look, it's not on this chart. It is on this chart. It's not showing because it's in the 1 hour chart. Target, 23,462. Yes, we don't have a resistance there. It's actually a target on something that happened way back here that we haven't quite hit. And I do believe we could hit it still. Alright. So that's the target, 23,400. Potential target. Automatisch. There we go. Yeah. I've done this before, dude. You know, I'm finding a Bitcoin chart that I can look at. This one's really delayed. This is 21,400, but I want one that doesn't have a lot of data, and then I need to go on the daily. And then I'll show you something. And I'll go and go log scale, make it look a little bit more similar. But then I have all these freaking lines here. Do I have a clear chart for this? I doubt I do. All my charts have a lot of shit in them. Why Bitcoin? Why must I chart you so much? I've done this comparison before. Look at this rally. Pump, rally, small drop, rally, small drop, rally, right? Rally, small drop, rally, small drop, rally. Let's go here to this chart, even though it's slower, but, you know, I think it's the only thing I can go with. Go with this one. Delete this briefly. This one's too... Yeah, this one's too steep. This one's not gonna work. This one's gonna work, I think. There's so much stuff I gotta delete though for this to work. But let's delete this. I'll get them back out again real quick. There we are. All right, look at this. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Starting to get this. We've got a small step here. I'm not sure if I want to consider this 3 and have this run. But if I go in linear, it looks a little bit more similar to what we're getting, right? Like 1, take a breather and then pop. 1, take a breather and then pop, right? 2, take a breather and then pop. 2, take a breather and then pop. And this is looking a little bit more like this. And we did this already. We extrapolated this data. We looked at the pump from here, right, to here. We said, look, it's a 447% pump. If we're to do that from here, this bottom, I'm gonna really need a lot of room here. If we're to do this from here, we're looking at 400 and change, right? Look, 440 something. We're looking at $53,917 Bitcoin. I already did this the other day, a while back. So, like, it's not a far-fetched target to think in Bitcoin at that level. If this is to repeat itself back here, right? And that's what I was looking for the other day. Anyways, a lot of things to undo real quick. Let's get those little lines to come back up. Yeah, there we go. That's the chart I had. Let's go back here and zoom in a lot more because we want to see what's happening right now. And this, we were saying this that way because I'm on log scale. Let's get out of log scale. That's fine. Oh no, it's rejecting. Yeah, so this is Bitcoin, by the way. If you don't know what Bitcoin is, thank you for welcome to the channel. Bitcoin is a magical, funny-made code of coins or blockchain that has translated into a store of value and speculative asset for a lot of people. That's not worth a lot more than gold and a lot of other shit combined. So it's a good asset to be in because people are crazy and they're just gonna say we're gonna be worth a lot more, right? It's a deflationary asset of sorts. It doesn't inflate ever. It's like, you know, it doesn't eat gluten. It's like a celiac. It doesn't eat gluten, it doesn't get inflated. Dudes, what do you guys want to look at? I'm not even sure how many people are here, but thank y'all for being here, dude. If you like what we do, hit that like button on that sub. Come on, sub to the channel. Get some crypto for Christmas. I won't give you crypto. Santa might bring you some crypto for Christmas. Dude, I just dropped something. Yeah, for sure. Thank y'all for being here, by the way. What? No chat. No chat going on. What is this, man? Chat must be booming, dude. Pump the chat. Bearish now. Yeah, moving down slightly, right? Let's go to the 15-minute, dude. See what's there. Just chilling. Yeah, I'm just chilling also. This was like from like 30-minute, dude. Why does it want to go in the 4 hour? I hate that. Coin market cap does weird stuff sometimes. So I'm not even sure if I want to move this one. Is it from the 1 hour? Maybe. Right on. So again, we had the bearish divergence. We called this one out a while back, right at 9 p.m. almost. And, oh no, we dropped. Yeah, going for the 20. We're not even touching it yet, right? And it looks like we're trying to hold on support there. We have some hidden bullish again. Look, we're gonna get to the 20 with hidden bullish divergence. What might happen there? Oh, what? We might get a pump. What? Yes, maybe, dude. We have hidden bullish on the MACD, on the RSI. Dude, on the 15-minute chart. Where are we at with regards of the other stuff that we usually look at? Let's go to the 15-minute chart. It says, buy hardcore. It's still on buy, dude. Still on buy. It's still above the 20. Here, look at this. It's dropping like crazy, but we're not really dropping in price. That's why I said trade is not that good of an indicator. But if we get down here, right, by the time we get here, we could be looking for a U-turn and then pump again, right? When I started YouTube, I started YouTube a while back. We're a year and 4 months, a year and 5 months, maybe. Was it August that I started YouTube? Yeah, I think it was August 2018. 18? No, 19. 2019. Yeah, last year. Yeah. A year and 4 months. A year and 5 months. Year and 4. A year and 4, I think. Somewhere in that area, dude. First day of August 2019, I think. It's a bit confusing because I started to get stuff ready on June and July 2019. So that's why. Yeah. Actual streaming. I streamed before, but it was just test streams. Nothing real until I actually kicked off, like, you know, took off the harness and just said, like, I'm going to jump on the airplane without a parachute. And that's precisely what I did. I just jumped out of the airplane without a parachute, and voila, I'm here on YouTube. What's Bitcoin on the 5 minute? It's going up. Oh, it's not going down, man. It's saying sell here on the 5 minutes. On the, when did it say buy? It said buy here. 20,700, right? It did say buy around like 115, and then it's telling you to sell right now. 5% gains, right? Not too bad. Just gonna check this against YouTube. Oh, dude, no, against YouTube against XRPs. Tell me to sell XRP already, dude. At 56, 54. Damn it. That's the 5 minute though. Probably the 15 minute still says buy. Now it's actually selling sell right now. See why I don't like this sometimes? Because it gives you this false outs. Here it tells you to sell, but it pumped back up. Right. This is the candle though. By the way, we just started, right? So the 10 p.m. candle. It's telling us to sell, but the price going up. And sometimes you get this false reads. Like here, it tells you to sell, and it tells you to buy back here. This wasn't so bad, but here it tells you to buy, and then it tells you to like get out here, right? So you bought high and you sold low. So it's not the most reliable indicator on some time scales. But I do want to look at it sometimes to make sure I am in the right position, right? So, for example, here it's telling me that I should exit at 52, which it wouldn't be too bad, actually, considering my entry was around 54, so. I would have gone in when he told me here, like when Bitcoin went ballistics, and I would have gone in on the scandal, I would have been better off, but, you know, I was doubtful about what XRP was going to do, man, and I could have taken a nice rally here, 50% rally. But, you know, I was like, dude, you know, I'm not sure if Bitcoin's going to really push through, if it's going to go there, man, you know, whatever. Okay, man, have a good one. Up for the night. Thank you, Steve. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. We've gotten to 100 messages. It's awesome. Guys, I think I'm also going to call it night, man. Still have 15 minutes to go for this candle. There's stuff I need to get done. Thank you guys for being here again, you know. Steve, thank you for being here. Jake, thank you for being here. Manverstein, Sing, thank you for being here. Who else was here, man? The Truth, thank you for being here. Chris Toshak, thank you for being here. Andrew, thank you for being here. Make Detroit great again, thank you for being here, man. Crypto Boomer, thank you for being here. Who else? Holly, the DK, thank you for being here. I think that's everyone. Larry Purella, thank you for being here. And yeah, I think that's everyone that came in. Roll call. Thank you for being here all. Again, this is Set of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Wednesday night. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. I hope you found the content educational and entertaining, either or both. And if you found it either or both, give us a like and a sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is an awesome channel for crypto. Bring your mama, bring your papa, bring your brothers, bring your sisters. Everyone shooting about crypto. Have them all here. Oh, Fish and TX. Oh, dude, thanks for being here. Oh, what do you miss? Well, I'm just signing off, dude. That's what you missed. But thanks for being here, Fish and TX. So I guess not a lot. The whole stream, likely. Is there something in particular you want to look at, man? Because I could go through something really quick before I actually sign off. So let me know. You rewind? Alright, cool. Yeah, I did cover a lot of stuff. Bob Mo, what up? Also, dude, someone else coming in. Thank you, Bob Mo, for being here. About to sign off. I was just signing off. But if you guys need me to look at something, for sure, I'll really quickly look at it. So let me know on the chat. Oh, man, leaving? And I just here? Yeah. Yeah, bro, I've been live for about an hour and 47 minutes. But what do you want to look at, Bob? Let me know. I'll look at something quick. I'll do a solid Fish and TX and Bob Mo, and I'll look at something real quick before I sign off, because I'm like cool like that, because I'm not a dick. I appreciate you guys coming in, so for sure I'll like analyze whatever coin you want me to real quick. Just 2 coins, one for you, Bob, and one for you, Fish and TX, and that's gonna be it. So let me know, and we'll get you on the road with your analysis. There's stuff I gotta get done, dude. I'm setting up a new business. Icon? Algo? Sure, man. I haven't done Icon and Algo. We'll do those. Algo and Icon. Alright, Icon came first in the chat, so we'll do Icon and then we'll do Algorand. Icon, where are you, Icon? I know I've looked at Icon before, I just can't find it. Here it is. Now the question is, which Icon have I charted before? Is it this one? Looks like this one. I'm not sure if this is the latest chart I have for Icon. Was it this one? No, it's the other one. Right on, this one. Oh, cool, look, we can just extend this area. And we're still... The last time we looked at this was on October the 20th. And we're still at the same area that we were at on October the 20th. Funny enough, we did take that small pop after we called that bullish divergence, hit the 20, rejected, move lower, right? So that was a move. I'm not going to call anything here right now. High, higher, more positive, higher on the other side. I'm not going to call anything here. Low, high, negative, morning. All right, some hidden bullish. We can work with this one. Why are we pumping? That's a question, right? Why Icon going up? I don't know why Icon go up. We don't have anything against RSI. Alright, so we have this hidden bullish. It's rising us to the upside, getting us above the 20, which is fine right now. Moving down, trying to find support there. Moving down around 2.38% right now. Nothing bearish, really. Just this, probably pumping because the market pumped yesterday, right? That was what I would attribute this large pump. We do have the hidden bullish, like the rest of the market did. What are you starting? What am I starting? What? Like what time? 9 Central, 10 Eastern. That's me starting time. 4-hour chart. Let's see 4-hour chart. What are we doing? We had some strong bullish actions. Again, I'm just gonna look at the short term. I really don't care about the long term stuff. It's already history. It played out. This is what matters. It's pumping us right now. Here to here, we don't have anything. Here to here, we do have some strong bearish divergence that is starting to develop an Icon, and that's probably why we're getting this candles to the downside right now, from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, action to the downside, right? Again, I'm trying to open something up here on the side. I'm trying to figure out where one of my things is at. Shit, dude. It's not the coin I want to look at. It's not letting me change here like quicker, man. It's just like they have the most annoying interface ever, man, at this exchange. Such a pain in the butt to get everywhere, man. Anyways, moving down. That's it. Bearish divergence. Nothing bullish here. Nothing bullish here. Neutral 59.30. 1 hour chart. Forgot to anchor these in the 4 to begin with. So send that to the 4. May the 4 be with you. It's almost Christmas. Any great Christmases next week? Is it? I need to check the calendar. I do believe Christmas is next week. It is next week. Who knew? Friday. Friday's gonna be Christmas. New business. What am I starting? Oh, dude, cool. What am I starting? New business. That's a good. I'm gonna tell you later. I'm still setting it up though. I'm working on the graphics for it. I'm working on some pricing for some items, and I'll let you guys know when I have it ready. I don't mind sharing it, but not right now though. Still a lot of stuff I need to get. Some numbers I still need to run through on expenses and then item costs, so I can get the profitability level that I might be expecting to get. And it's something that's just basically going to be on the weekends. So it's going to be a weekend business that I'm starting. It's just probably going to be on Saturday and Sunday, or just Saturday, or just Sunday. I'm not sure yet. It's going to depend. But it's going to be something short, sweet, as a side gig that I'm hoping I'm going to be able to scale up and do something else. Retail? I'm not sure, dude. Thanks for subscribing, Fishing TX. Dude, we're getting a lot of subs today. Thank you all for being here and being awesome. I'm not sure how many subs we were from Target, but let me check it out, man. Studio mode. Cool. Retail, flea markets. Yeah, some sort of retail at sort of flea markets, kinda. Yeah. You love the energy? Thanks, man. Drop shipping? No, not drop shipping, dude. We are 1 sub away from the target. And a long way from the tip goal for the stream deck. Oh, so sad. But thank you all for being here, dude. No, not drop shipping, dude. Like, I won't be able to give you much information until like maybe next week. There's stuff I need to finish set up, and I need to finish to do this week. I'm gonna start next year. It's just gonna depend on COVID. When I basically start off or kick off, I don't want to be like, dragging it for too long. It's not a huge cap investment. It's a small investment. It's gonna be time consuming on the weekend. But it's gonna be really good, man. One of my friends is doing it. He's turning in a lot of profit. Like, when I say a lot of profit, I say a lot of profit, dude. How much is a lot of profit? Well, let's say the guy he used to like live in a very, very small apartment with his family. Didn't have a car. Now he has 3 cars. He's living in a huge ass house with like 3 mates. That's how much he's making on that. So I'm gonna do something similar. He's actually helping me set up something similar, just with a different concept, so that we're not competing and we're actually gonna be helping each other out a little bit more. He's gonna help me out a lot at the beginning. I do believe I'm gonna be able to like reciprocate later on, but it's gonna be interesting. No drop shipping, dude. Anyways, icon. Let's finish this thing. Let's keep moving. Going up, coming lower again. Bearish divergence right on the 1 hour, dude. Not that one. That one. There we go. All right, look at that. Action to the downside. Moving down. Going for the 20. That's very likely where support might be at. Do we have something here? Yeah, kinda also, right? Let me do this one here. Alt H. Looks like we might have something around this area that we're treading below. Right, we might have something here also. Right, look at this. Because here it was resistance, and here it was kind of support. It's not the most accurate. It's just areas that we're looking for. But the 20 could be a good area. And then if we drop there, do we have something here? No. Do we have something here? Yes, likely. Probably something here. Around this level. Alt H. Right. So those will be potential targets to the downside. Look, try and hold on to that support, and we might try to go up. We might have something here. I'm not going to look farther. I should look farther back, actually. Look, here was resistance, resistance, right? Support, resistance. That's why I'm drawing a line here. Then the one up here should be maybe around this area. Maybe even higher. I mean, that's why these are rectangles, right? When I have rectangles like this, they're light color, and you'll see them in a couple of my charts. They're areas of support resistance. There's a lot of supports and resistances within those areas that I don't want to be charting each one of them individually, but That's why I just do it like that, because I'm I won't say lazy when I do this, but it is an area that there's a lot of support and resistance. Look at how many times we bounce around this area, this area, support here, like resistance here, like, you know. So there's a lot of stuff going on here, right? That's why I'm just calling it a zone. There's a lot of potential areas to like try to like, you know, get out and get in at this level, and that's why I don't like it. 4 minutes until we find out. 4 minutes until oh, dude, we're gonna close the dude, yeah, we're gonna close the candle, the hour candle. All right, dude. That's Icon. All right, bearish divergence, potential movement to downside. We also have it against the RSI. I didn't draw it there, but it's here also, right? Like that. Boom. Moving down. Neutral. 54, 53 again. The 20 would be a target. Then here would be a target if we match stay above here. We could be looking for a pump to 22.35, and then if we get above there, you know, maybe something up here around 43. That's it for Icon. Let me go back to Bitcoin real quick. Will I be able to squeeze in Algo? Dude, who requested Algo? Bob, I think, requested Algo. Yeah, Bob requested Algo. Bob, let me look at Bitcoin real quick. I just want to see where it's at before I go into Algo. This 1 hour candle might actually close red. Oh, green. Wow, it's green. Great. Let's close this candle and see where we go. Yeah, no worries, Fusion TX. XRP, man. That's all I have to say regarding XRP. Fucking XRP, man. I'm hating it today. Like a mother. I hated it since yesterday, actually. I have to check something out. My show? No worries, dude. I did try to move through things as they're requested. Just worried about Bitcoin closing. I want to see where it closes. Because it's pulling back down, right? I don't like that. And this is from another time scale, by the way. Almost there, dude. 34 seconds. Looking for this support, right? For the bullishness. The hour's still gonna be green, but it's just like not super strong right now. 12 seconds to go on this 15-minute candle. It's a fake out! Oh, dude. Maybe. What I can tell you is that we were rejected at, dude, it's already open up the new candle. We closed it at 0 almost. 0 to negative. And we're already making it up right now. So, not super good for Bitcoin, but we'll see. We might start stagnate here, hit the 20 and then pump. Maybe. If we lose at 20, we could be looking for moving down. So the 1 hour chart moves slightly down, gap down on the opening, and are moving up right now. 0.05%. So that's it. XRP trying to like do something, right? Being XRP. So let's go check out Algorand. I'll go Randy. There you go. Algorand. Let's go through Algorand. Green on Coinbase. Alright, I'll check it out on Coinbase in a second, dude. Thank you, Bob Mo. Go down the hill. No, Mom Bear. I wanted to go up the hill, dude. To 23,400. Then I can get out. So that's my target on the play. Not getting out until then, probably. I don't know how hard it's going to drop. Algorand. Let's go on the daily, dude. What's Algo doing? High to low, right, low, low, high, negative. Where are we at here, dude? 47459. All right, cool. We have some hidden bullish, just like the rest of crypto. All crypto had this hidden bullish, dude. Or not all crypto, but most crypto had this hidden bullish. Look at that on the 15-minute chart. That's awesome. Let's go here to here. Right, hitting bullish, getting that nice pop again, popping up with Bitcoin and the rest of the coins. Heading up for that, what do we have there? The 236 at 3.57, right on. So again, we're rejecting going, oh, we did go slightly lower than the all-time low. Now this became the only all-time low. Oh, the new all-time low. Yar, 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 SpongeBob, me boy. Let's go there, man. That's our all-time low. I mean, not all-time low, short-time low, let's say. New time low, short-term, whatever we want to call it, dude. I'm freaking tired now. Anyways, bullishness, pumping, yay. High-low, positive is positive. High there, at a lower point. Nothing bearish, dude. Let's go to the 4-hour. Oh, here we do have some bearish divergence. Oh no, Doctor, bad news. You have bearish divergence. You have the case of the bearish divergences. Bearish divergences. Divergences. Something like that. I'm not sure. Let's call it in Latin. Ursus diverticus or something like that. I'm not sure. Yeah, I was starting to like say just dumb stuff, dude. I'm starting to get really tired now. Like I get up really early because I'm doing stocks in the morning again. So I get really early to do pre-market stocks, and then I'm staying up really late because of the other business I want to start up. So you know, it's by this time I'm almost fried. 100K by September, maybe, dude. Let's see this. Alright, so we have the bearish divergence strong action to the downside. We haven't done anything on the bottom part to call it positive. We do have some strong bullish divergence back here for action to the upside, and that's fine. We haven't looked at algo in a while, dude, but we were on this uptrend that I highlighted a while back, and we just broke out of it on December the 7th. So I'm not sure when we looked at this last. But it was Algorand. Divergy. Maybe, dude. Maybe that's what we should call it. Ursus divergicus. You know. Action to the downside. Going for the 20 very likely at 32.50 cents. Right now it's at 32.98 cents. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Hello. Low to high. Great stuff here. Great Scott. Marty, we've gone back in time. Here we find bearish divergence. Look at this, man. Right, bearish divergence. Here we kind of don't have it. We do have this island. I'm choosing to ignore it because it's just one or two small bars. So I'm just going with the continuation, right? And the bearish divergence section downside. Here we also have it in the short term. So even if we wanted to ignore that one, we would go from here to here and say, look, my no hands. I have bearish divergence. Because the bear ate it. We should all go running with the bulls at Pamplona someday. That'll be a good bull run. Right on. So, high to low, right, also, and high to low, right. So we have that strong bearish divergence in the short term, and thus we are breaking down. Now, we do have some hidden bullish. Again, if I wish to acknowledge this small island, this separation, I would be going from here to here, and then from here to here. Then from here to slightly lower, let's see, 45.12, 44. So yeah, very slightly lower, strong, or hidden bullish divergence, actually. Hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We might find some stalling at this level, maybe a reversal, maybe try to go for that 20 on the 1 hour chart at 33.64. That's it, dude. I'm actually going to get rid of this line, dude. I don't like this line. It feels forced. It is there against the RSI, but it's also there on the RSI in the short term. So I don't think I need to like call it from back here. On that note, it is going to be a stream for tonight. Oh, wait, bullish on Tesla tomorrow and sell before end of day? Oh, that's a good question, man. We're actually, let me look at that. I don't, dude. I don't look at the big stocks. I take small stocks, dude. Like, I've been trading small stocks. I traded Veru the other day. This one did really good. Interday trading, right? Had good interday trades. I was looking at, what else, dude? I'm trying to remember what I was looking at today. AEMD. This one had some okay trades interday, right? You can tell that I have some data here. Mara was really good today. Right, Mara was really good. I took some nice profits on Mara. And Mara is like a, it's they're like a Bitcoin. They do something with Bitcoin. I can't remember what they do with crypto. They had a really nice uptrend with with Bitcoin moves. So it did present itself for very good trades intraday. So a couple I think it was 2 trades that were 3% each. So it was really good. And I just usually scan in the morning for different stuff, right? Like small cap stocks that are doing good, that have good gaps, and they can perform good in their day. Now I'm just looking at 3 or 4 stocks in the day, and just trying to gauge a good in. And I'm not super ambitious, like I'm just looking for like a 3 to 5% gain, and that's it, dude. After that, I'm done with the stocks. So if it's a 3% gain, I'll try to get another in, maybe for another 2 or 3%. And if it's a 5%, I might just call it a day, pack it in, that's it, dude, right? So I'm not super greedy with the stocks. I have a target. Once I hit it, that's it, I'm out. Not point in staying. I might screw up, I might lose some, then I might be trying to like get it back up, and by then I'm just like going on tilt, and I don't want to do that. So once I hit my target, and I try to hunt for a really good in, then I'm not gonna hit my target. So there's days where I take no trades. Yesterday was a no trade day. I didn't take any trades. The market wasn't good. I wasn't looking at Mara per se, right? Mara played really good intraday, but the other stocks that I was looking at didn't play that good, so that is why. But yeah, I've been doing stocks in the morning, so I get up really early to start doing pre-market stuff, and then it's just on from there. It's on like Donkey Kong. Bitcoin and Gemini. I did close green on Gemini, dude. I was looking at the 15-minute candle, which closed red, but you said on Coinbase, which I don't know if I have Coinbase open. Here it is. It also closed red there on the 15-minute, right? The hour closed green. Whoever was telling me that. Bovmo. Yeah, it closed green on the hour, dude. I was looking at the 15-minute chart, and the 15-minute hour close was red. And that was what I was referring to when I was talking about this. This is gonna be it for today, dude. I'm fried already. I still gotta get some other stuff done from like the other business I'm starting up. So, I'm up 45% on Tesla stock, 13 shares. I might sell tomorrow. Wow, that's a good. I didn't even look at Tesla, dude. That's how the conversation started with stocks. Tesla. I have Tesla open here somewhere. I'm not trading Tesla right now. It's 122. It's high. It's good, man. Right. Let's go to the daily. Right, look at that bearish divergence. He broke down, created a hidden bullish, started this rally. I haven't looked at Tesla since September the 8th, and that's fine. I'm playing a lot of intraday trades, right? It did double. It did go 25% or 50% up in value. That's fine. 60% up in value. It took a lot of days, and I wasn't doing stocks back then again. I just got back in stocks towards the end of last week without taking trades, just checking the strategy out again and see if it was working properly. And once it was determined it was working properly, I started taking trades this day again. So it was a good percentage gains on Monday, 0 trades yesterday, good trades today. We'll see if tomorrow there's some trades to be taken on the day. Let's see how that's gonna play out. I'm not playing long term on the stocks, dude. On the stocks I just go day trading. It's just in and out. It's like a couple of minutes positions and that's it, dude. Right, I'm out of there. Take some nice profits, call it a day, pack it in. That's the short-term play on stocks. Once I get the bankroll up on stocks to a certain level, I might start taking swing trades for a portion of the cash, and then day trade for other portion of the cash, and then accumulate enough to have a what do we call it, dude? Save that bank, let's say, for if one day I do lose some, just take it from that savings, put it back in. So I'm always at the amount I want to be at for minimum for trading. So yeah, that's it's gonna take time to build out. It's a sort of like a game that I'm doing with my brother. I mean, we're doing it with real money, but it's sort of like a game to see if we can get the account up from. I think we started with $400. We didn't put that much money in. It was on purpose. So we're playing small gains, small stocks, small gains. In a day, right? So 5%, 3%, and that's the game we're running with. And it's all just based on that, right? Trying to get
trying to get see how much we can grow the account without using margin or leverage or anything like that, and just basically buying on actual buying power, what we have on a 1-to-1 ratio, and see how quickly we can get it up, and see how much we can actually get it up. That's gonna be the challenge. That's a challenge. That's a game. We'll see in a year where we're at. Hopefully, we'll be in the over the 50K mark or 100K mark. Depends on how accurate we are with the trades, and it's a strategy that my brother and I are implementing. That's something else, but it is kind of like the target that we have, like a 3%, 5% a day. And if we manage to hit it, I do have a target per week, which is 13.74% per week. If we manage to get 13.74% per week, we're on target to hit. It's gonna be on, like, and that's just saying that you never take a hit, right? Which it's not gonna happen. We'll be on target to taking about $1 million in about 12-month period, and that's not gonna be the case. Like, we're lucky if we're gonna be at, like, the 20K mark, because there's days that you don't take trades, there are weeks that you don't take trades, there's weeks that you take trades but they don't go the way you plan. So it's gonna take a while for that to build up, but it's a benchmark that we placed, and see how accurate we can be to try to get the account up there. So tomorrow we're hoping to get a couple of 5% gains, but let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin going up. I know. XRP is going up also, dude. I'm looking at XRP on something else. So since I saw XRP going up, I'm assuming Bitcoin is going up. Mara is going to open up with a huge gap tomorrow. Just remember that. If Bitcoin stays above 21,000, 22,000, you should be watching out Mara to take a position on the stocks. By the way, Tesla had bearish divergence, Manveer. So that's why it might be a good out. Right. I'm not sure if I called it or I was tracing it. I'm not sure if I mentioned it at the end. Let me finish Tesla real quick. Right, look. It had the bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. We could go to the 20 here. Don't look like we're dropping a lot though, right? So, I would take this with care. With a grain of salt. And I'll be watching it. If it hits the 20 and drops below, you could be looking for an out. If it stays above the 20, it could take a bounce there, right? It looks like you won't be... it looks like I won't be going to sleep again tonight. Yeah, same for me, bro. It's going to be probably up night. Watch out for Mara tomorrow as a stock. If Bitcoin manages to stay there, it might open up with a huge gap. It might be good for trading. Look at it. This was today on Mara, right? Look at the gap it took. Boom. And that's with Bitcoin price at, I think it closed around 20K, 21K maybe. So, or 20K by the time it closed. So now that it's going to like 22K and probably higher, this might gap up again tomorrow and open up much higher. I'm not seeing pre-market yet here. And pre-market it just straight up to 885. We'll see where pre-market is at tomorrow. Yeah, last thing we've seen for pre-market was 7. We'll see where it's at for tomorrow. Again, this was some nice plays of Mara that we took here and here for a couple % gains. So they were good plays, man. This one we didn't take. It was early. It was too early. We didn't take this one. We ended up taking this one and this one, which was, they both pay off really good. It was 5. We took it out at 5%, and this one was also 5%. I think that we ended up taking out this one around 3, maybe. I can't remember. But they were both good, man. They're both good things. Yo. Man, you're saying thanks, bro. Same. Ain't sleeping today. Yeah. How I ever looked into the window. WNDW? No, dude, I haven't. Solar window technologies. Wow. Right. It did good today. Actually, did really good today. How? I mean, it looks good on the pump because of the way the data is presented, but let's look at percentage-wise. How high did it go percentage-wise? See, it didn't go up that much. It just went up 5% from the beginning of the day, and then it did present some small positions to be played.
but nothing too crazy, and volume isn't there. Look at how choppy the chart is, right? Look at how many dojis you have there. You have no data on them. That means that there's no trades being taken. That means the volume is probably low. And you just get like massive wicks of volume whenever there's a chart move, and after that it dies out. So for me, being that the most it pump was 5% in a day, I wouldn't be looking at this one for trading in the day. So I want to be taking like higher run. Anyways. Next big thing. Alright, dude, I'll check him out, dude. I'll keep him on the radar. But again, for day trading, this might not work for me. This one might have been a good play. From here to here. 6%. But again, you don't get a lot of those 5% plays on this stock in a day. And that's what I'm looking for, right? Those 5% pumps that can help me increase my bankroll quickly. That's the game right now. So, no play here, man. 22K of resistance for sure. We're rejecting that area. Yeah, 21,986. Rejected the 20K mark. 21,999. Great stuff. Again, it's in the 1 minute. Let's go to the 1 hour. Not too bad, dude. Not too bad at all. Yeah, that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Again, thank you for watching again. If you saw power generating windows for high rises, that's pretty cool, man. But I'm gonna be off. I'm actually gonna write that one down, dude, because I want to look at it tomorrow. But W and DW. Yeah, that's going to be it for tonight, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. Again, this is Tether Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Wednesday night. Yeah, Wednesday night still. Almost Thursday morning. Thank you for being here, guys. It's going to be it for tonight. Again, I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of this Tether Crypto. Until then,